Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I start review the film, I will introduce myself and my partner. My name is Denis Aprilianto and my partner is Anggi Saida. We will review a film South Korea directed by Bong Joon-ho, which was released in the 2019 and was successful, flooded with the prize because the message conveyed from the story was extraordinary. This film was initially shown at the film festival and received a lot positive responses, which led to this film being shown a measure in the commercial cinemas. The following is a short trailer from the film Parasite.
뭐야, 소독해? 창문 닫아.
나도 봐. 공짜로 집안에 소독도 하고.
부모님 얼굴도 뵙고 좋더라. 건강들 하시고.
일거리가 없으셔도
네가 내 대신 얘 과외 선생님 좀 해줘라. 영어.
대학생인 척하라는 거야?
구라를 좀 치지 뭐.
넌 이 좋은 실력으로 왜 미대는 맨날 떨어지냐?
아이씨, 죽을래.
저는 이게 위조나 범죄라고 생각하지 않아요.
참으로 시의적절하다. 부자들이 원래 참 잘 속아. 그래서 사모님이 뭐랄까.
풀타임으로 수업 어떻게 하시는지. Is it okay with you? 우리 다송이는 완전 예술가 재질인데
침팬지를 그린 거죠?
자화상이에요.
역시.
그동안 미술쌤도 여러 명 바꿔가면서 해봤는데요.
제가 사람 하나가 휙 하고 떠올랐는데
아 잠깐. 제시카 외동딸 일리노이 시카고 과 선배는 김치모 그는 이사촌.
부자인데 착하다니까.
진짜 니가 착한 거지. I'm deadly serious.
근데 지금 진짜로 이상한 게 뭔 것 같아.
In this film, the cast star well-known actor and actress such as Song Kang-ho, Lee Sung-kyun, Choi Young-jung, Choi Won-sik, Park So-dam, and this film made by Bong Joon-ho as a very different genre. This film has comedic scenes and sad scenes, grown scenes, tense scenes, annoying scenes, uh, and even scenes that can make us really empathize. The film package the message well from the audience, so that the audience feels influenced but not apprenticing.
This film tells the story of two families, poor and rich, who then meet in the unexpected fate. Kim Ki-taek, played by Song Kang-ho, is the head of family with a very minimal income. He and his family live in a rundown apartment in the city, aspiring to earn a high income and become rich. One day, Ki-taek gets a job offer at the rich Park family, Lee Sun-kyun, to become a private tutor for their daughter. Feeling that Miss Park was very easy to deceive, Ki Jung began to bring in his family one by one to work at Park family residence. Ki Woo's effort make him look like parasite inside in the invite this college like to invade this host body.
This film can combine element of comedy and thriller so well that the audience can continue to be carried away by the atmosphere until the film ends. This film also contains a very sharp social uh, criticism. This film depicts the social injustice that occur in society today, which not only occurs in South Korea but also in the most all countries of the world. The scriptwriter and director Bong Joon-ho has able to describe things are very accurately. The poor person who becomes a parasite in the rich person's house really makes him angry and annoyed. Instead of making money, they actually cheat.
The conflict that arose began when the Park family former household assistant found out the identities of the four of them. One by one, problem arise and several people are killed. In the thriller genre started, and those who watch the seem to feel the panic that built in this film. Director Bong Joon-ho success in the creating a tense atmosphere and making our audience excited.
In the 132 minutes that the Parasite runs, honestly, at first I didn't have any empathy for the Kim family at all. How could for people of working age and up as locals, it's a box holder, doesn't Kiwo have the same English skill as a student, or is Ki Jong very talented in design? Not to mention that Jung Sok is a former hammer throwing athlete who won a silver uh, medal, while Ki Taek, the head of the family, at briefly on a business even thought it was a rock and was a from valet parking driver. The King family are not for people without skill who needs to be paid for because of the trap of the marginals to me. Uh, they were for people without privilege, the main leader to wealth. The Kim family is a depiction of the most basic human nature of wanting their fate to chance, but without having to try too hard. It was a Babu's fantasy that finally made me uh, unconsciously hooked on the Kim family, strengthening the nation that intelligence has nothing to do with wealth, makes Ki Won and Ki Jong appear like true superheroes. Their brother clearly proved that those with lots of money are not necessarily extraordinarily intelligent to reach the top. What is important to momentum and opportunity, not just complete hiking equipment, even the tricks they carry out and cause loggers seems to reinforce and set picture how society and purpose all of us view the social success themselves. We may the ones who are easily actors to choose who are foreseeing a great matter, difficult word and foresign language, and believe them are right to be smart and worthy of trust.
The protagonists in Parasite are clearly on the wrong side, but actually hope that in the end they are able to live happily. It doesn't matter if success comes, spilled blood, and violence, because it's not okay to be a parasite in a rich person's life. After all, they have money. In this really describe the situation of social inequality that exists today, where poverty and wealth are in direct contact without any distance, insinuating our social castes to care more about each other. The message conveyed is film very good and packaged nicely. The color grading used throughout this film seems to give the film its own color. The sound used in the film provides strong tension in the tense minutes of these scenes. The story, which does not seem like a fairy tale and is full of action, is what keeps the audience from getting bored, as if the audience is wondering what else will happen. Makes you curious in every scene.
No joke. Parasite took home the four Oscar at the time in the categories of the Best Original Screenplay, Best International Feature Film, Best Director, and of course Best Picture. This achievement makes Parasite the first non-English language film to win Best Picture. In fact, that year, Parasite, the East Asian film, had to complete with film by the Cross, whose names were already very famous in the world cinematic industry.
This film is highly recommended and worth watching. The social message is good and packaged neatly. The strong and unwavering storytelling make the audience feel at home throughout the films. The editing is smooth and the sound seems to support every tension that is created. The lighting is very precise and not annoying to the eyes.